to my channel. Wanted to get on here today and do my messy bun. This could be a short video and it's not really rocket science, but I'll show you how I do my bun. Okay, and I kind of make it a messy bun so I can make it last for like days. Okay, I'm just gonna brush through it. Then the first part is just a high half ponytail. Just put that up. And I like mine, you know, pretty high. And my hair is really dirty today, so we'll see how this turns out. Then I'm going to put it into a high half ponytail. I'm going to leave it like that. And then just pull it out like that. And I really would just wear it like that to the gym. But then we're going to get another ponytail holder and we're going to get the existing half ponytail and wrap it again. And be kind of careful. I sometimes get a good mess going up there and it's hard to get it down. Okay. And then we're left with that, and then we're just going to pull sides around and pin them. But before we do that, I'm going to pull out little pieces. Oh, I've got a mess back there, but that's okay. Okay. And pull pieces down. Before we get it too secure. And it's pretty tight, so I might should have done this. I should have done this before I put that second ponytail in. So when you do this, pull your tendrils down before you get that second ponytail in. Okay. Okay, then I'm just gonna pull these loops, you know, around. Just pulling that around. And then probably should pull it down a little in the back. Sometimes I get my bun a little big and it looks like prom hair. So I'm just going to kind of pull that down a little bit and kind of pin it down. Like that. I hope y'all can see. And then just kind of arrange your bun, however, you know, wherever you see. And then I like to kind of make mine a little, you know, kind of separate the hair a little bit so it looks kind of messy. I'm just kind of arranging, you know, I have some hanging out here. Sometimes I will just leave that out. Let it be between a ponytail and a bun. And I like that messy look. So it's not too overly done, you know, not too fancy. Okay, I'm going to try to pull a few hairs down, but they are tight in there. Okay, I'm ripping hair out of my head. And then if it looks too tight at the crown, which it kind of does, I kind of like to pull it out so it's not so tight on my scalp. Oh, that's better. And just kind of arrange. And it's not perfect, but I don't like it to look perfect because I like to be able to wear it for days. Sometimes I sleep in it, and I've worn it to church looking messy. Okay, and then my tendrils over here, I'm just going to straighten them That's why they're so fried. There. And that is my messy bun. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.